Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the slick Haler is undamaged, in date, and has doses left. Once confirmed, remove the cap and load the blister or cartridge exactly as the device shows. This primes the mechanism. You should pierce or activate the dose fully so the medication is ready. After priming, stand or sit upright and breathe out gently away from the mouthpiece. This clears your lungs and sets you up to draw the full dose effectively. Place the slick Haler mouthpiece between your lips with a tight seal. Make sure vents are unobstructed. For dry powder styles, inhale quickly and deeply to entrain the powder. For metered dose types, follow the slower, steady inhalation recommended. Once you have inhaled, hold your breath for about 10 seconds so the medication deposits in the airways. This improves delivery. Then exhale slowly away from the device, and, if your treatment requires it, repeat the cycle per your prescribed dose schedule. After inhalation, close the slick Haler and confirm the dose counter has advanced so you know treatment completed. If your medication is a steroid, make sure to rinse your mouth and spit to reduce side effects. Dry and store the device at the recommended temperature away from moisture. If you suspect a weak or misdose, inspect the chamber for an unopened blister or blockage, reload a fresh dose if needed, and repeat the inhalation once. If problems persist, contact a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.